Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will show you what to do when a Huawei phone keeps crashing. It often happens when the Huawei phone crashes randomly, freezes and becomes unresponsive unexpectedly while you're watching the movie or on a video meeting. Sometimes, restarting helps resolve the sudden system crashes once. But what if your Huawei phone keeps crashing for no reason? It could be annoying, but you can find some easy tips in this video to stop the system crashes and bring the phone back to working order. Before solving the problem, please understand the reasons why Huawei keeps crashing with me, which will help solve the problem faster. Huawei phones keep crashing. There may be several reasons. 1. Application compatibility issues. Some third-party applications may cause your Huawei phone system crashes. 2. Insufficient memory. Excessive use of mobile phone memory leading to overflow can also cause Huawei phones to crash. 3. The phone temperature is too high. Using the phone for a long time or using the phone in an environment with too high a temperature may cause the phone temperature to be too high. However, too high a temperature may also be the source of frequent crashes of Huawei phones. 4. System upgrade failure. Failure to upgrade the phone system or incompatibility will also cause Huawei system keep stopping. Next, you'll learn how to fix Huawei phone that keeps crashing. In the case of that whose Huawei phone apps keep crashing or closing down, this video will also come in handy. Now, try all the steps here in the order we present. The instructions here work for almost all series of Huawei phones including Mate series, Pura series, Pocket series, Ascend W series, Ascend Y series, Nova series, Ascend GX series, G series, T series, U series, Y series, Honor series, Enjoy series and so on. If the first attempt does not solve your problem, you can try it a few more times. If you have other questions, you can tell us in the comment section below the video and we will reply to you within 24 hours. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to clean up the storage space. Smartphones have their own maximum storage capacity. The size of the storage space will also affect the problem of Huawei phones that keep crashing. If your Huawei phone stores a lot of data, resulting in insufficient storage space, less than 10%, this may cause Huawei phone keeps crashing and restarting. Every time you use the phone or open an application, some memory and storage space will be occupied. So you can try to clean up the storage space to free up more space. To clean up the storage space, open the phone settings, then scroll down to find and tap the storage option. There will be a clean up speed button in the storage options interface, please tap it. Finally, the system will check the storage space occupied by your applications. You can clean up the redundant storage space one by one or all according to your needs. Method 2 is to force restart. If cleaning up the storage space is not enough to fix a Huawei phone that keeps crashing, you can also try to force restart the Huawei phone. Force restart can eliminate software glitches and clear certain caches to make Huawei devices run in the best state. So please try to force restart the Huawei phone. To force restart the Huawei phone, long press the combination key of the Huawei phone force restart, power button and volume down button. Long press the combination key for 10 seconds or longer, and wait for the logo or vibration to appear on the Huawei phone screen. You can let go at this time, and your Huawei phone will automatically restart. After waiting for the restart to complete, use the phone normally to check whether the continuous crash problem is solved. Method 3 is to force quit the app or delete and re-download it. If the problem of Huawei phone randomly crashes is alleviated to a certain extent after trying to force restart but is not solved, and the problem sometimes still occurs, then you can turn your attention to the application. You can recall whether the problem of phone crashes Huawei occurs after opening a certain application. If so, force quit the suspected application or the opened application or uninstall it and reinstall it. Method 4 is to update the app to the latest version. If quitting the application cannot solve the problem of Huawei phone app keeps crashing, if the current application version is low or there is a compatibility problem, the problem of Huawei phone keeps crashing will also follow. So how to fix a Huawei phone that's crashing? Please update all the applications you suspect to the latest version. You can find updates in the App Store or update them according to your usual method. Method 5 is to check system updates. If the Huawei phone system upgrade fails or is incompatible or the version is too low, it will also cause Huawei phone closes unexpectedly, and Huawei may add new patches to solve these problems. So you need to check if there is a new system update. Please open the phone settings, then scroll down to find and click System and Update. Then find and select Software Update in the new interface. If you already have a correct internet connection, the system will automatically check if there is a new version. If there is a new version to be updated, please click the Update Now button after the check is completed. After that, please wait patiently for the Huawei phone to update. After completion, please check again to fix Huawei phone system crash. Method 6 is safe mode. If the above method does not work, you can also enter safe mode to check if other applications will cause Huawei phone keeps crashing. Safe mode will allow your device to start only with the minimum required to run, so third-party applications will not affect your phone in safe mode. Here are the steps to enter safe mode. First, make sure the Android phone is turned off and no USB is connected first. After that, press and hold the power button and the volume up button until the phone vibrates for 3 seconds. Then your Huawei phone will enter the interface with safe mode options. Select with the volume down button and confirm with the power button, after which your Huawei phone should reboot into safe mode with the safe mode logo on the screen. If it opens and works fine in safe mode, there may be a problem with the app you downloaded. If the problem occurred after you downloaded an app, then you need to find and delete all problematic apps. To exit safe mode, just restart your phone. Method 7 is to restore the factory settings. If the Huawei phone keeps crashing in safe mode, how to fix a crashed Huawei phone? At this time, you may need to perform a factory reset. This will be the last method you can do. A factory reset will erase all data from the phone's storage space, including contacts, messages, media files, and apps stored in the phone's memory. So, back up your data before restoring the factory settings. Now follow the steps below to restore the Huawei phone to factory settings. Please make sure that the Huawei device is turned off and there is no USB connected first. After that, press and hold the power button and the volume up button until the phone vibrates for 3 seconds. Then your Huawei phone will enter recovery mode. In the Huawei recovery mode screen, use the volume up and down buttons to select clear data and press the power button to confirm. Then use the volume up and down buttons to select restore factory settings and press the power button to confirm. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the corresponding steps, and finally the reset process will be triggered, which only takes 2 to 3 seconds to complete. After the factory reset is completed, click back to return to the recovery interface. Select and click restart here, and your Huawei phone will re-enter the device home interface. Finally, you can transfer your backed up data back to your Huawei phone. Method 8 is to find a Huawei after-sales store. If the factory reset can't solve the problem. Do you want to know why does my Huawei phone keep crashing? The problem may be that the hardware on the Huawei phone is faulty or damaged, causing Huawei keeps crashing. You can consider contacting Huawei after sales for hardware testing, and have professionals perform further inspection and repair. They can quickly and accurately locate and solve the problem of your phone repeatedly turning on and off. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you and good luck.